I will add a batch project to Affinity photo. So here I have an introduction to WordPress. It is a bunch of screens I have taken that are basically the same size. So I can basically go through all of them and they should be very similar in size. So I have made just the screens folder. I took it in here and I basically took export, and 1200 should be okay in width. So I will take that down to, for instance, 75 or so. And I see I get 49 pixels, kilobyte, I mean. So 1200 by 710 and 75, that seems pretty good. So what I'm going to do now, I will go to File, New Batch Job. I will save as JPEG, add 1200 in here. So I will add Save Into and select the folder Adjust the Screen, which is empty. Click OK. And here it's not defined anything in relation to the quality of JPEG. So let's put this into right box, 1200. And let's see if we get this to working. I've not done this before, so this is actually my first time running this. I've done this before in Photoshop many years ago. So I've selected all the screens. There are 13 items here. So all of these are added to the screen here. We'll just go by default, save as 1200 in width, into a new folder, and let's see what happens. I'll just click OK. Let's see, did anything happen? I'll go into Introduction to WordPress, adjust the screens, and here we actually have them. So what is the size of this now? 107, which is fairly good. It's probably good quality size on this then, 89 pixels. So these might work nicely. So that means this seems to be working fine. And it was just really quick. So the batch job worked really well in copying all the screens I have here into adjusted screens.